All right. Hopefully you've got your form done. And as you can see there, I've got mine with my name, email, subject line, and a message. This is the coding underneath. Now, when you first get to this bit here, this form action up at the top, this will have something or something saying PHP there. And what we need to do is we need to change this line of coding. Okay, and what you need to do is this, is that the first thing you'll need to do is to, you need to go to formspree, okay? I'll put a link on the VLE for you, and you'll have to register. Okay, so you'll have to go to get started, and you can register. You can register with your email at the college. You sign in, you can see I've signed in already, and this is my and I've sort of, what happens is I've been testing it, so this is a bit stuff there, but you'll see that on this integration option here, you should end up with some information in here, okay, which you're going to copy into your form. So if you press on copy, and this HTTPS and all this sort of, it looks like gobbledygook, but it's going to go in there, as you can see it. So it goes into brackets, and then your method of sending it is post. Okay, that's all you need to do. So you're changing that, so if you can do that, that would be great. The other thing that you need to do is in your submissions, in your settings, okay, you give the form a name. See, I've called mine Form 2024. And then you also need to change the time zone. It's quite easy to do. You just type in Europe and then /London. It's nice and easy. And then finally, you need to give a target email for your where you want the message to come to. So you can just do that back to your own email address as well. You save all that stuff, and then your form should be set up. Okay. So what will happen is that that's basically saying that once you've sent this form is going to go off. It's going to be sent. So when it fills in, if someone's going to fill that form in, you press send, and the form gets sent to this web address, okay, which is this address here. And then what they do is they basically forward that on to you using this target email, and you can see I put mine there as well. Okay, so nice and easy to do, hopefully. If you don't get working first time, that's not a problem. It does take a bit of playing around with. So I'm just going to sort of put in some data I've already put in. So Peter Smith, and I'm just going to put peter@gmail.com. I'm not going to bother with the validation. I'm just going to say that it works. And then I've just put in flowers to granny. I'm a florist, so there we go. And I'm just putting there, have you got flowers or grannies? Question mark. And obviously I'd say how much and if you what type you've got. But anyway, I'm just doing a query. So a request to the shop. And then I'm just going to press send. Now when I press send, you should get this. It should say form was submitted successfully. And then that form, they send it on to you with the stuff there. So you can see quite clearly that that's been sent by me, and you can see Peter Smith, their email, the flowers for granny, and have you got flowers? And it says it's been submitted at 10:26 p.m. on Sunday evening. All right, and that's it really. That's all you've got to do. So just make sure that you sort of try and work on that and see if you can get that going really. Hopefully that should be fine. Okay, I'll put the link on for formspree as well onto the VLE.